Vanakkam friends, welcome again to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast of Nifty for next week. Before even going into the video, new members please do subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications on time as and when I post videos. People who are going through our video or viewing our videos, please share it to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets. For the last couple of videos which I have posted, you people have said me that my voice is very low. I'm not sure why it is happening like that. I am having full volume in my system and I am trying this with the same headset which I have used earlier, but I'm not sure why it is happening so. If there is similar challenges in this video also, we'll try to find a better device where I can give a clear audio for you people, right? So we will move on to our analysis part. For this, I have opened Nifty charts on daily time frame, which we have seen during the last week itself. Last week we had one line over there, one over the first target zone of 18,150 odd levels, and it do reached during the week itself. Now I have removed that particular line and have added a rising trend line, the one which I have highlighted in red color right now. As long as this rising trend line holds, we need not worry about any deep fall. If at all, if we break this trend line and sustain below that, we can expect a fall towards this 100 moving average, which comes somewhere around 17,800, or else we need not worry at all. And the immediate support comes at the psychological mark of 18,000. Barring all these, last week Nifty has holded despite the fall on Friday because of HDFC twins due to MSCI outflows. Nifty has holded the weekly lows which it has punched on Tuesday. Not Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday low was 18,042 and Friday's low was 18,055, which is little bit higher than that level. It might be a cautious sign for bulls if weekly low is punched on Friday, that too on last hour, but it has not happened. People who are part of our channel may remember that on Friday evening itself, I have mentioned to take Nifty or SGX Nifty or Nifty 18,200 call or even Bank Nifty monthly call option as per their plan, whichever they have subscribed for, assuming that the HDFC fall will get arrested on that particular day itself, and then we will have a recovery on Monday. Post our market close, what happened, right? Singapore Nifty has already rallied 60 points. Singapore Nifty right now is has closed somewhere around 18,193, but our Nifty futures close was at 18,130, which means we have already rallied 65 points. And to add on, we have had a 5.9% fall in HDFC Bank on Friday in our markets, whereas HDFC Bank ADR has dropped only 1%, I guess. Let me see where it is. Yeah, HDFC Bank ADR has fell down only 0.09 percentage. Look over here, percentage, and it is 0.09, which means most probably worst case scenario 50% of the fall which happened on Friday will be recovered on Monday itself. 1% of HDFC Bank's move is equal to 130 points in Bank Nifty. Just assume if HDFC Bank moves up by 3% on Monday, it alone will give you 390 points in Bank Nifty. So this is the case as of now. We don't know what is going to happen during this weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday, and what will happen on Monday. But as of now, situation is like this. Bank Nifty will have a strong run on Monday, backed by HDFC Bank. So coming back to our charts once again, the first initial support which I said is 18,000 mark, that is the psychological level, and it may correlate with this rising trend line. If that support breaks, we will have another 200 point fall to test this 100 SMA, which is in pink color. The pink color line which I have, which is little bit dark now, that is the 100 moving average. We may go and test that. Bulls are having a strong run without no mercy for bears. The 200 SMA and 20 SMA has given a crossover during last week, and now the 20 SMA is having a crossover above the 100 SMA. Everything is positive. Only any very big negative flow can push the markets down. We already know that markets are overbought, but a market will not fall just because it is overbought, like what it happened 2 months back. It was overbought from the beginning of April itself. Sorry, oversold. But that is March month. From the beginning of March, second week itself, it was oversold, but it refused to come back on the higher side until March expiry is over. So just because a market is oversold or overbought, it will not go into the opposite direction until and otherwise it needs to test a very critical resistance or critical support, or else it needs to have a very big negative news or positive news to go above that or below that. In this case, this trend line and 20 moving average crossing 200 and 100, these two are positive, and on the upside there is no resistance until 18,483. We can consider Thursday's high as immediate resistance 18,267, breaking which another 220 points definitely on the cards. So we can trade for that. People who have subscribed for our premium services earlier might have got entered the trade earlier on Friday itself, like 18,200 call, or Bank Nifty 43,500, or Nifty futures, or Bank Nifty, Singapore Nifty futures, whatever I have recommended as per their plan, they would have entered. For people who are just listening this video, or people free members of my channel, you may not get that opportunity in those picks which I have suggested earlier, but anyways, you can go for a 18,200 call if the gap up is getting sold into on Monday morning. Say for example, Nifty opens 70 or 80 points on the higher side, and then it drops towards red zone, which means all the 70-60 points has been eroded. If it comes to that particular zone, then take a 18,200 call as hero or zero for the week. Actually speaking, we have entered on Friday itself at 40, I believe. I said we can enter between 38 to 42. So maybe at 40 people would have entered. Same way we have suggested Bank Nifty 43,500 call around 200. It has also taken by our members. Same way SGX Nifty also we have suggested at 18,130 odd levels, 120, 130 odd levels. That has also we have taken. So on Monday, if HDFC Bank is going to support markets, whatever fall it comes on Monday, it will be bought again. The two situations where you need to worry about your longs is: one, VIX going above 13, two, Nifty breaking this trend line and closes below the trend line minimum on hourly time frame. So I have given you crystal clear levels. Trade with these levels accordingly. I will post any calls as and when it is possible in our free channel also. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.